Welcome to the Fun Travel Adventures, United Kingdom in 7 days. This itinerary covers the very best of Britain, from the grand pomp of London to the misty Scottish Highlands. It's a high-impact 7-day adventure, perfect for a first-time visit, focusing on royal heritage, storybook landscapes, and modern culture. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team.
Here is your 7-day journey at a glance. We sweep through Britain's greatest hits, from royal palaces to ancient stone circles and highland peaks. Days 1 and 2 are dedicated to London. Day 3 is a choice between Oxford or Cambridge. Day 4 is a time travel day to Bath and Stonehenge. Day 5 explores the Cotswolds, and Day 6 brings drama and depth in Edinburgh. We end the trip with a grand finale, a choice on Day 7. Days 1 and 2 are dedicated to London, the grand opening. Regal meets Restless. Welcome to one of the greatest cities on earth. We begin with Westminster and the heart of London. The Palace of Westminster, with its iconic Big Ben, symbolizes British power. Stroll across Westminster Bridge for stunning views. Step inside Westminster Abbey, where history is palpable beneath its soaring Gothic vault. Experience the quintessentially British spectacle of the changing of the guard outside Buckingham Palace. It's theatrical and thrilling, featuring scarlet tunics and a brass band. Afterwards, enjoy a peaceful stroll through St. James's Park, one of London's most beautiful royal parks. Explore the Tower of London, which houses the crown jewels and a millennium of history. Nearby, Tower Bridge is arguably the world's most photogenic bridge, especially when its blue illuminations shimmer on the Thames at night. London offers high-value experiences beyond the landmarks. Consider a Thames evening cruise, catching the skyline at dusk. See a West End show for an unforgettable performance. Indulge in a Borough Market food crawl, or explore the buzzy, beautiful, and free Covent Garden. Day 3 offers a choice: Oxford or Cambridge, Mines and Meadows. Pick your dreaming spire and immerse yourself in centuries of learning. Oxford boasts cinematic architecture and literary history, with honey-colored spires. Wander through the Bodleian Library and admire the Radcliffe Camera. Explore the ancient quads of Christ Church and Merton, feeling the history of scholarship and debate. Cambridge offers a gentler, greener, and serene magic. Go punting on the River Cam, beneath ancient stone bridges. Admire the beautiful backs, the college gardens. Visit King's College Chapel with its jaw-dropping fan-vaulted ceiling. If you choose Oxford, you want dramatic architecture, literary history, and easy access from London. If you choose Cambridge, you prioritize punting on the river, serene college lawns, and a quieter city atmosphere. Day 4 is a time travel day, Bath and Stonehenge. Ancient mystery meets Georgian elegance. Prepare to have your jaw drop twice. Stonehenge remains the world's greatest mystery, baffling visitors for over 4,500 years. Visit early morning or late afternoon to avoid crowds and catch dramatic light. The Visitor Center brings the archaeology to life before you face the colossal stones themselves. After Stonehenge, explore the Roman Baths, one of Northern Europe's finest ancient sites. This preserved bathing complex was built around natural hot springs, discovered in 43 AD. Book your tickets in advance for this highly visited attraction. Complete your visit to Bath with a stroll along the Royal Crescent. This sweeping arc of 30 terraced Georgian townhouses represents the pinnacle of 18th century British architecture. It feels like stepping into a Jane Austen novel. Day 5 brings us to the Cotswolds, often called Storybook England. If England were a painting, it would look exactly like this, filled with rolling hills and charming villages. The Cotswolds is an area of outstanding natural beauty, stretching across 6 counties. You'll find honey-colored limestone cottages, babbling brooks, and dry stone walls. The region encourages you to slow down and savor the enchanting scenery at an unhurried pace. Key villages not to miss include Bybury, featuring the beautiful Arlington Row of 14th century weavers' cottages. Bourton-on-the-Water, known as the Venice of the Cotswolds, with low bridges over the River Windrush. Finally, Stow-on-the-Wold is a handsome market town, with excellent independent shops and pubs. A classic Cotswolds experience is afternoon tea in a traditional country inn. Enjoy finger sandwiches, warm scones with clotted cream and jam, and a proper pot of English breakfast tea. Many inns have served travelers for centuries, offering an atmosphere no city cafe can replicate. Day 6 takes us north to Edinburgh. Drama and depth. This city is atmospheric, historic, and gloriously, unapologetically wild. Edinburgh Castle, Scotland's crowning glory, sits atop an ancient volcanic plug, dominating the skyline. Inside, you can view the Honours of Scotland, the oldest royal regalia in the world. Standing on the battlements offers panoramic views of the city. Walk the Royal Mile, stretching from the castle to the Palace of Holyrood House, past historic closes and shops. For adventure, hike Arthur's Seat, the peak of an ancient volcano, for sweeping 360-degree views of Edinburgh and beyond. It is breathtaking, in every sense. Edinburgh after dark is equally compelling. The old town is atmospheric, with gaslit closes and candlelit bars. Visit celebrated whiskey bars for a dram, or book a thrilling ghost tour through the vaults beneath the city. Day 7 is the grand finale, your choice. It's time to decide how your British story ends, a Highland adventure or a London swan song. Option A is the Scottish Highlands. Push north into dramatic scenery like the Glencoe Valley and keep an eye out for the elusive resident of Loch Ness. Option B is a London wrap-up, revisiting sites and shopping areas like Soho or Oxford Street, ending with a proper pub dinner. If you choose the Highlands, Glencoe is nature at its most spectacular. Sheer mountain walls plunge into the valley floor. The glen carries a poignant history, but today it is a magnificent sight for walkers and photographers alike. Visit Loch Ness, a deep, dark body of water flanked by forested hills and the dramatic ruins of Urquhart Castle. While it holds more water than all the lakes in England and Wales combined, it's famous for its elusive monster. Consider taking a cruise on the loch. Scottish Highland landscapes offer wilderness on a heroic scale. Ancient forests, moorlands, and lochs mirror the sky. Driving the A82 delivers an ever-changing panorama that demands frequent stops for photographs and moments of genuine wonder. Here are some executive travel tips. Transport is best handled by train, which is fast and scenic. Consider a BritRail pass for multiple long-distance journeys and always book in advance. For payments, Britain is delightfully cashless, so rely on contactless card or phone payments. Culturally, remember that queuing is sacred, and in pubs, you order at the bar. Britain's compact geography is a huge advantage. You can use London as a base for days 1 and 2. Take regional day trips to places like Bath and the Cotswolds for days 3 through 5, and then take a quick train or flight to Edinburgh for the finale on days 6 and 7. Enjoy your adventures in the UK. Let's talk about the power moves that transform a good trip into an exceptional one. These aren't optional. They are the moments you'll remember for years. We recommend 4 key experiences to seek out on your adventure. The first is booking a West End show. Dress up and let London's theatre scene astound you. Next, enjoy a countryside pub meal, perhaps in the Cotswolds or Scottish Highlands. This deeply civilized institution is quintessential Britain. Third, find one spectacular sunrise or sunset viewpoint. Try London's South Bank or Arthur's Seat in Edinburgh. Finally, dedicate time to simply wander without a plan, as Britain's best discoveries happen when you follow your nose. The Great British Pub is a cultural institution. It is more than just a place to drink. It is the living room of British social life. Look for low-beamed ceilings, real ale, and hearty dishes like steak and ale pie or fish and chips. Strike up a conversation. It's encouraged. A top tip for pub etiquette. A round means you buy drinks for your group and they will buy the next one. It is a system built on trust and reciprocity.